is like a machine gun. There is somebody there who will pick this machine gun and use it for a good cause. And I am here to fight a just war. I am not here to fight enemies, to fight friends. This is a just war. Did you get that? Because I have seen many people who have attacked me, who have abused me. I want to tell you, this has just started. On the 25th, we are winning. Honorable Minister, I want to take this opportunity to inform you that I have been directed by my chairman to inform you and your family and the members of parliament who are here that you are going to be the next speaker of the 12th Parliament. I want to give you comfort, Right Honorable, because the Deputy Secretary General of the National Resistance Movement, when I was there, congratulated you in advance. Allow me to join her in congratulating you in advance, sir. I just want to appeal to the members of the Central Executive Committee of the NRM. Please, most of you are here, others have not come. When the President brings that name of Honorable Maxon Oboth as the Speaker of the 12th Parliament, please don't ask any question. Just tell the President that we are with you. And for us in the caucus, we shall be ready to support the endorsement of the Central Executive Committee. In 2010, when the late Jacob Olanya was asked by His Excellency the President, at that time Honorable Rose Namayanja was standing for Deputy Secretary General of NRM in Nambole. When he was asked by the President to step down for Honorable Sam Ngora, he made a speech. He said, the clergy, the Reverend will help me, that there were two women in the Bible who were fighting for a baby. One woman said, the baby belongs to me. Another woman said, this baby also belongs to me. Then the king, I think, King Solomon, suggested that since both of you are fighting for this baby, let me get a knife and cut this baby in the middle, so that each one of you can take a part. Or one woman said, yes, that's okay. Let's cut the baby and each one of us take. Another woman said, no, I am the mother of this baby. I am not going to accept my child to be killed. Let the baby stay with the other woman. When this baby grows and he discovers who the mother is, this baby will come back to me. This is not the first time that the Honorable Oboth is trying to capture this thing. 2021 he tried. The President told him, no, step down. You have done a good work in the Committee of Legal. You remember age limit? Yes. This was the man. Please give him a round of applause. He is the one who delivered age limit with a lot of intimidations. he stood firm, and he was, I think, an independent MP. But you see the national resistance movement to pick you even when you are an independent and make you a chairman. That's big trust from the chairman. In 2021, he attempted. At that time, still I was the commander of the other group of the late Right Honorable Jacob Olanya. The president said, please, don't stand. He accepted. Doesn't he deserve a round of applause? Allow me now to show you that if we had the capacity to have a mess here, you would even chair plenary the first sitting of the Parliament. Because we already have the Attorney General who's ready to advise government. We had the leader of the opposition, the Honorable Odria. Yesterday I received a call from the CDF and he told me, you tell that man, Odria, to go and attend Honorable Oboth. I thank you so much for turning up. And I will give him, he has verbal artillery, but I am praying. I will give you after the MPs have introduced themselves. We do have members of parliament who are in the army. We shall request you to come, because now you are going to be the voters of the Right Honorable Jacob Maxon Oboth as our speaker. Now allow me to request all the MPs who are here, led by Honorable Opondo. Because this is now wicked. We have given you the thing. The thing is yours.